Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete a video you've watched from history on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. Start by opening the Facebook app on your Android device and logging into your account. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture located in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the three dots to access additional options for managing your profile settings. Select Activity Log from the menu to view your activity history on Facebook. For videos you've watched, swipe left on a public post to reveal more options. Tap on Video Watched to filter and view the videos you've watched. Identify the video you want to remove from your watch history and tap on the three dots next to the video. Finally, select Delete to erase the video from your watch history on Facebook. By following these steps, you can easily manage and delete videos you've watched from your activity log on Facebook. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to efficiently delete a video you've watched from your history on Facebook. Keep your watch history organized and private using these simple steps.